Alright, I've taken the bevel file, ran across here, and I've also rounded off the frets from the crown around here. All of them except number 4, which I left alone. Let me find it here. That's it, right? Nope. There it is, right? Nope. Damn it. There it is. You can see that one wasn't rounded off. But what I found is the biggest improvement was just running this bevel file along the fretboard. There was a bunch of the ends of these frets that were, instead of being like a 35-degree angle or whatever, they were almost straight up. There was about 5 of them that were almost straight up, but just running that file across it made a huge difference. And I took a fret end file and run around the corners, but it's not going to focus. Where am I at? Yeah. I didn't touch the corner on that, or the bevel, or that one was not touched. That's number 3. I'm not getting it focused. But anyway, running the bevel file along the edge made a huge improvement, and then rounding off the corners made it even better. So I don't know. Anyway, that's what I found. That's how I fixed it.